I have had a bad ankle for about 25, 30 years, progressively getting worse and worse and worse. I'd always thought that if I ever went into that Ring of Honor, the last thing I wanted to do was to limp out to get the award, to not be able to walk out on my own. The best decision I've ever made in my life was to pick TCO to do my ankle replacement, and it's changed my life forever. I felt like I was in the best care possible and in the confidence with the way they carried themselves. There was no maybe this, maybe that. They were very precise, and I've been through a lot of surgeries, but I've never had the post-care that I had at TCO. If there are any people that are considering this sort of surgery, there is one thing that I would tell you. Go to TCO. Go to TCO. This procedure that I've had has really given me a comeback in life.